Apple's iPad Pro has always been the ultimate showcase of innovation, giving us laptop-level performance in a sleek tablet design. But now, in 2025, things are about to get a lot more exciting. The upcoming iPad Pro M5 isn't just another small upgrade. It's shaping up to be the most radical iPad Apple has ever made. We're talking about a shocking new display leak that's bigger than anything we've seen before, cutting-edge OLED technology, a refined design, and yes, even whispers of its price and release date already being confirmed. In this video, we're diving deep into all the latest leaks, rumors, and insider details about the iPad Pro M5, so stick around because this is going to change the iPad experience forever. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. Apple's iPad Pro lineup has always been a showcase of cutting-edge innovation, blending laptop-level performance with a tablet form factor that pushes the boundaries of creativity and productivity. Over the years, each generation of iPad Pro has brought something remarkable, whether it was the introduction of desktop-class Apple Silicon chips, the arrival of promotion displays, or the integration of powerful accessories like the Apple Pencil and Magic Keyboard. Now, in 2025, all eyes are on the upcoming iPad Pro M5, which promises to be the most advanced and radical iPad Apple has ever created. With shocking leaks about the biggest display upgrade ever, whispers of pricing strategies, and release date confirmations making waves, this next-generation device is poised to reshape the iPad experience for professionals, students, and everyday users alike. The buzz around the iPad Pro M5, 2025, is not just about incremental upgrades, it's about a complete redefinition of what an iPad can be. For months, leakers, analysts, and Apple insiders have hinted that the new model will carry a display unlike anything seen before on a tablet. Reports suggest that Apple is preparing to launch the largest iPad display ever, surpassing even the 12.9-inch variant that has long been the crown jewel of the Pro lineup. Rumors indicate that the new 14.1-inch OLED promotion display will headline the M5 generation, offering not only a bigger canvas for creativity but also unmatched brightness, contrast, and color accuracy. For digital artists, designers, and professionals who use the iPad as a laptop replacement, this expanded screen size could finally eliminate the need to juggle between devices. The shock factor doesn't stop with size alone. Apple is reportedly integrating second-generation OLED technology, delivering peak brightness levels above 2,500 nits, making the iPad Pro M5 ideal for HDR workflows, outdoor use, and professional-grade video editing. Combined with promotion 120Hz adaptive refresh rates, ultra-low latency for the Apple Pencil, and slimmer bezels than ever before, this display will push the iPad into a league of its own. The whispers from the supply chain suggest that Apple has worked with Samsung and LG to develop custom OLED panels that reduce burn-in risks and extend lifespan, something crucial for a device many professionals will use daily. When it comes to design, the iPad Pro M5 is also expected to see subtle yet impactful refinements. While the overall industrial aesthetic will retain Apple's modern flat-edge design language, leaks indicate that the chassis will be made of a new lightweight aluminum-titanium alloy, making the larger display size manageable without significantly increasing weight. The bezels will be trimmed down further, creating an almost edge-to-edge display that maximizes screen real estate while keeping the form factor surprisingly compact. Apple has also reportedly repositioned the front-facing camera to landscape orientation,